Give you guys a nice close-up of the design. Okay. I like the design of it so far. So obviously it comes with two, and we're gonna see what differences this makes. What up, you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Look, in today's video, man, I've been wanting to do this so long. If you guys don't know, you get tired of driving with those yellow, ugly looking lights that Dodge put on these Dodge Chargers, okay? And most vehicles have them, so there's a better alternative. You can either go with LEDs or HID. Now, me personally, I don't really like HID lights because one, the bulbs burn out. Two, they're just not that great. You know what I'm saying? So the best alternative to go with is LEDs. So shout out to Auxedo for basically contacting me and basically was like, hey, you know, what kind of vehicle do you have and such, you know, we want to send you our product and let us know what you guys think. So this is what the packaging looks like. You know what I'm saying? I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to wait and open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get straight to that. If you are new to the channel, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I am doing a build on a Dodge Charger. If you want to see that, you guys stay tuned. So this is what the packaging looks like. Nothing too crazy. So I'm assuming this right here tells you what kind of vehicle it is for and what, you know, the bulb size and all that good stuff. So that way your order don't get mixed up. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right. What? See what I'm saying? Like, look, they done even offered some gloves. Can't go wrong with that. Got some zip ties. Okay, instruction manual. You know, yeah, we're just gonna put that to the side. So in here we got the bulbs. Okay, now it looks like it comes with a ballast. So this is the bulb. Okay, this is the bulb right here. Give you guys a close-up how it looks. I like the design of it. It looks really good. Okay, so you got the little, okay. So this is like, I'm assuming this is the ballast right here. So there's two different plugs. So make sure you check your plugs to make sure this lines up. I'm gonna show you guys that once I start installing this. But this is what it looks like, Auxedo. Give you guys a nice close-up of the design. Okay. I like the design of it so far. So obviously it comes with two, and we're gonna see what differences this makes. You guys, it does come with an Allen key, and I'm gonna show you guys what that's for. So as you guys can see right here, this is what the screws are for. So I'm assuming if you guys need to replace the fan, they give you a tool for that. Pretty nice that they give you guys gloves, you know what I'm saying, to work on your car. But I don't think you really need it, but just in case, I guess you don't touch the LED. That way you'll be fine. All right, you guys, so that being said, let's go ahead and install this. And right before we do that, let me show you guys a quick little video on how it looks before I actually install these Auxedo LED bulbs, man. I hope it makes a big difference. And if you guys are interested in purchasing one for your Dodge Charger or any other vehicle, they got different variety of selections. Go ahead and check the website out. Link is going to be in the description down below. And if you guys do want a discount, make sure you guys use the code LifeOfTrey. Better than nothing, right? Save you a couple of bucks, keep a little couple change in your pocket. But let's go ahead and check this video out and see if it's a difference. These are the lights, the factory lights that come with the Dodge Charger. Now just check out the distance, see how it looks. This is the before. Okay. Do a step back. So this is the factory. It's kind of, it gives you that like that yellowish tint, but I'm gonna do like a little drive-by so you guys can see it. Well, as you guys can see, I did the drive-by. So let's go ahead and change out these lights, see how they look after. Right here, this is the driver's side where the bulb is. This right here is the passenger side. So the only thing you gotta do is like twist off the cap and it should come off. This is what the bulb looks like. We'll go ahead and unplug it. All right. So you guys know we cannot forget our handy dandy gloves, baby. So let's go ahead and slip them things on. Let's get to surgery. So these are the connectors that I was talking about. You just gotta make sure that these match and you should be good to go. So as you guys can see, there's already a difference. You see how this looks yellow and that looks more bright and white? Yeah. So you make sure you want to test it out before you put everything back together. But let's go ahead and finish it up. All right, you guys, both of them are in. They're both in, they're both working. I can already tell it's gonna make a big difference at night, and I'm about to show you guys why. See how it's already reflecting off of my Honda? Look at that. Look how bright that is already. Big difference. There it is. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys how bright it is. So that's literally how bright it is. And that's Oxedo LED light bulbs. Literally day and night. Literally. What you guys think, man? Comment down below. I feel like this is day and night, man. This is day and night. Turn these back on. So I know a lot of you probably wondering why I got tape right here on my bumpers, because walk over here and show you guys. So I got these brackets. This is the Mopar. This is for the passenger side. So the brackets go like this, but I'm waiting on the other side. So I got these right here for $27. $27. So if you guys do want these, man, these are the LED Oxedo lights, man. These things are really, really bright. As you guys can see, it looks good. Okay, and it also looks good on this charger right here. Now also got another video that I'm gonna make of something that Oxedo sent me. I'm about to show you guys right now. So Oxedo sent me these LED side markers. Okay, let's take these things out. So I got the right side. So let's see how it looks. All right, sits in there nice and flush too. I got a lot going on. This right here is like some loom wire. This loom wire is basically for, I got some LEDs in my door handles. Man, I really need to go check out Oxedo's products, man, for real. They got anything you need. They even sent me some stickers, okay? And I'm gonna put this sticker on the back with this Vicris. Let me see how it looks. But as you guys can see, man, that's pretty much it. Turn these lights on again so you guys can see. Big difference. So now you guys see how you can see these LEDs on the bottom? Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and rearrange that. Like I did this one up top good, but I gotta go ahead and rearrange the bottom so that way you don't see those LEDs. So that's why I wanted to put it on the car so that way I can see where I need to fix it. But the top is clean. It's clean like butter, baby. Yeah, it's clean like butter.